Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Dodge Viper SRT-10. This two-door convertible has a 10-cylinder, 8.3-liter V10 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.